Welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here on 21st of October, discussion related to Cardano, price action, news of the market and the technicals. We're gonna take care about everything. Meanwhile, for the past 24 hours, we are down by 4.13% on Cardano, and the last 7 days are looking pretty ugly, 11.7%. Although we're in bear market, so this is not a surprise, yet we definitely want to see some rallies and recoveries and bounces and relief movements. They're not really happening these days. So we'll have to look into the charts, but not before we see what's happening with the news. And one of the things that is underlying these days Cardano is the NFT network of Cardano, which is having a massive increase. It became the third largest NFT network. It grew a lot, actually 75%. And this has happened basically in a matter of days. As well, there is records established. For example, within a week we were able to push the increases up to 280% in volume for a Cardano NFT space. So there's a whole lot of the attention right now drawn into the NFT connection with Cardano, which is obviously not making the token stronger in terms of the price. This is one of the things that a lot of the people are missing. The correlation between an adoption into a specific direction of the market. For example, the NFT direction. Adoption of Cardano amongst users, amongst consumers, it will not have a necessity to increase the price of Cardano. Meanwhile, people just dump it into their crypto fiat, right, into USDT, for example, and store their cryptocurrency value into something stable. Cardano is not a stable currency at these times. It is not a currency where you want to hold your cryptos for the next, for the next period of time. I mean, particularly what has happened for the last 7 days as a matter of example. And I can zoom out on the whole chart and share with you what has happened in the past 6 months. What could happen if you were holding your NFT into Cardano? The price of the NFTs is not recovering the decreases of the price of Cardano, for sure. So let's get into the charts, but not before you make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel, folks. At the same time, scrembocoaching.com is my page that describes how the private one-on-one coaching works directly with me. This is intending to generate professional traders in an intensive private coaching. I talk more about it at the end of the video, along the way with our commission program, where we can basically perform trading for you for a commission. There's no upfront fees. Through API, whatever I trade for myself can trade for others. If you guys are interested, watch this video till the end to find out more. By the way, all the links are located in the description area and comments area of this video. So let's talk about Cardano ADA, Cardano 4-hour candlesticks. This is the current situation. Where are we? So what I did basically, I adjusted the support trending line in order to fit on a higher accuracy rate. So at this time that we're actually located and we talk, the price section is located exactly on the support. So that means within the next period of time, it is expected from the markets to react positively at this level. We have been forcing and putting a whole lot of the pressure on the support line for so many times, starting with a double bottom structure over there, which actually resulted in a great increase. So the double bottom gave us 20%, which is why I told everyone, when it's time to have a rally, to have a relief bounce, it actually happens strongly. So it's not that you get your 3, 4, 5% and it's over. All these altcoins like Cardano or Solana or Binance Coin, whenever they decide based on the market representation to move the rally along with Ethereum and the BTC. So do not expect that these guys are supposed to move alone. Obviously not, and they will never do. Compared to Ethereum, which in such case might do 12%, Cardano is going to do 20%. And compared to the BTC, which in majority of the cases is following even less than what is or the Cardano or Ethereum doing. Well, at the end of the day, you definitely need to handle the risk properly, and that's where the money is actually being made. So this is the current situation, folks. Where are we? And we need to be really, really careful on the topic. There's nothing new around it. We have lost basically the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement, but we have still not lost the major support line of the trend. So, that's just the thing, that we're trending downwards, and that's where people suffer. There's huge room until the median line of the trend, and even more till the resistance of the trend. So, I would not exclude those possibilities. I mean, through the median line you have a 13%, but through the resistance line you have another 20%. So, in a downtrend you're doing this, right? But you have this specific movements too. They're happening. In this case scenario, nothing has happened since 10th of October. Take a look at that from there. Nothing. We're just dipping right there. So there's a huge level right now of the market to be in a overselling period of time, and this is just 4-hour candlestick. So it's not about the daily or about the hourly in terms of 1 hour or the minutes. This is no the low time frame. All right, folks, so this is pretty much all about today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel at the same time. It really helps the community. And then watch this video till the end to find out more about the education and the trading. For those of you interested in trading without fees, we have a promotion on Bybit. So in order to participate in this promotion, you definitely must sign up basically from this specific promo or referral code 41060. This is the one you need to sign up from. So you need to create a new account and get under this specific promo, which is dedicated towards 0 fees trading on all pairs. And on top of that, rewards up to $4,550 in a variety of representations, starting from a welcome gift up to deposit blast off, up to derivative trading gifts. So up to $4,550. You can get the promo code at scrembocoaching.com/bigbonus. It will drive you directly to this page, or scrembocoaching.com/0 fees. By the way, all the links are located in the description area or comments area right below the video. So now I'd like to talk for those that are interested in education, for those that are looking for having an education portrayed one-to-one directly with me, specifically on their needs, a proper professional work. So let me share with you more information. For those of you that value education and think that the results are generated by hard work, preparation, and a continuous process of learning, make sure to check out watching this video, as this is my one-to-one coaching, which I do out of passion for the ones that are interested in this space of learning how to trade professionally. We do have a one-to-one coaching program where I'll take you from A to Z into the process. It's basically a program that runs between 4 to 6 weeks directly with me. Usually we're doing on Zoom conversations. So basically we have the share screen turned on and I'm teaching you how to trade from the research process until the last stages of the market. So we're actually talking about a comprehensive process. We need an intensive coaching, which is going to have homework for you to do, where we're going to verify the knowledge together, where we're going to perform trading. It's actually explained on our page. We have 3 different stages of the coaching: psychology, technicals, and live trading. We have a whole lot of the things explained on our page. You can find out more information as well. Just watch this video here where I'm explaining how does it work. And you can, by the way, qualify for a free conversation with me of 15 minutes where we can discuss these things. So it's scrembocoaching.com with the page. You can register now. On your email, you're going to find out the offer straight away, and you can reply to that. As well, for those of you looking to join the trades that I perform for myself, if you want to be part of it, we are doing trading through API. So if you think that if you want to be part of the trades that I do for myself as well, feel free to participate. There's no upfront fees. It's just a commission out of the pure profits we make. That's pretty much all. On the left side of the page, you have my trading performance documented since September
2017. And then on the right side of the page, you have how does it work. On the top left corner, you got our page, scrembocoaching.com/today, and this is where you can have more information. Once again, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure that you're going to do all the things backed up by the data. This is very important in the trading process. Nothing can be done out of the blue, and it's not because what we want to perform out of nothing. It's most likely we need to do things correctly just because that's how the markets are telling us to do. That's all, folks. See you soon.